Oh no! Old McBarbie's barn is on fire! Quick, we gotta save the animals! Barbie's gonna gallop out of here! Oh, hey! Can someone grab the cats? Maybe we can put the fire out! How about a little sooner next time? Poor Barbie! That was her dream barn! And where is she gonna put all those cats? Not to mention all her larger animal friends. Don't worry, our friend TV Man wants to help. Probably. It'll make the perfect building material for your new house. Add some of Barbie's favorite color, pink. Plus some groovy new furniture. Here, Dolly, why not try out your new place? Aw, she even brought one of her little friends. You know, this guy gives me an idea. We'll whip up some new digs for him, too. This brings new meaning to Tiny House. We'll even paint it a nice, sunny yellow. Now let's fill the cage floor with some wood shavings. The little house goes inside with a ladder and wheel. Why don't you take a look inside? After all, it's almost time for a snack. Well, when Barbie's away, the cats will play. Careful, soda's a terrible thing to waste. Here, wrap this subscribe banner around a stick. It'll make the perfect base for our new cat tree. We just need something to bring in all the cool cats. Just remember, it's a cat's world. We're just living in it. Let's just hope that Barbie got the memo. Don't worry, I think they're just hungry. We can make something to help with lunchtime. An arcade game. Who says you can't play with your food? Now let's shred up some grains and meats. Cut them into little bite-sized pieces. Make a cute box to keep them in. Get scooping. We might need a few more bags. After all, they're gonna be prizes. I think you've earned a little treat. Ooh, save that old container. Freshen it up with silver polish. Next, make a little cardboard table. They're food bowls for all your furry friends. They'll need something to wash it down with. So let's whip up a drink dispenser. Nothing beats fresh water, except soda. Also milkshakes, but they're not for pets. Wanna try your luck, Barbie? Guess the first round's on us. Just press the button. Now that's my kind of game. We're ready for lunch in 3, 2, 1. It's raining cats and dogs in here. I think some kitty ate a little too much. Ugh. Anyone got a pooper scooper? I know. Why don't we crack a walnut? Save the pieces. We can use them. And make the pets a new potty. Of course, some prefer a litter box. So make 2, just to be safe. This really cuts down on the line, too. Of course, some prefer a private privy. Well, this new wall's a good start. Uh-oh! Did the cats throw a secret potty party? It's a mess! And guess who has to clean it up? Well, we might as well whip up some fun cleaning tools. And make them look cute too while we're at it. Animals made the mess. They can help clean it. Well, help us clean. By looking cute, that is. Besides, no stain is a match for these cool tools. Just in time. Barbie's got a new friend. A fish. But just where do we put him? I know. Empty out that small container. Now add an ocean backdrop, complete with a sea floor. Of course, we can't forget the water. Should be enough. I'd be careful with all these cats around. Let's put this guy on the high shelf. Didn't I tell you? Don't forget, sheep need love too. Let's start by giving her something to eat. Are you sure cat food is such a good idea? Of course not. Sheep have needs of their own. So let's whip up a barnyard specialty. We'll start by making some red jelly. Next, let's pour in some chia seeds. Like a watermelon without the shell. So why not add the shell? Both parts. Granted, it's a little stickier than usual. That'll make it easier to chew. You do you. Aw, we've got all our ducks in a row. I know. Let's save that cookie container. We can make something fun for our ducks. Add some shrubbery for atmosphere. And the most important part, water. It's what ducks like. Even Barbie just wants fun in the sun. But remember, today is kind of about the pets. Cut a bendy straw up into little pieces. After all, they'll make perfect joints. Just what our new swing set needs. Ah, this kitty cat sits upon her new throne. Ooh, did the temperature just drop in here? Maybe something in this bag could help. Ah, cardboard. It's a crafting gold mine. Set it up and paint it in a nice warm red. cover it up with some pretty stones. It's a fireplace. It's gonna need fuel. Ah, much better. Come on, kitties, let's spread the warmth. Oh, that stuff is so cool. Seriously, you just can't beat plastic containers. Just look at the stuff they can make. Now give it a nice soft cushion. Hey, what's that smell? Oh, your secret cotton stash. Lay down a stencil and add some colors. It's the perfect thing for our new rug. Everything's soft, from your toes to your back. Ah, nothing beats relaxing, especially with a cat. Pigs love to roll in the mud, but any slime will do. Of course, pig or not, a good time is a good time. Still, it's starting to smell like a barn in here. So let's make you a nice soapy sponge. Make it nice and wet and add to a soap bag. Seal up that soapy goodness nice and tight. Now let's put all those suds to work. Probably should clean that armpit too. The chicken laid an egg. So, which was first? Uh-oh, looks like Henny Penny's on break. But we need to keep the egg warm. We'll make it a special paper cup incubator. Add lights for heat and jewels, just because. I think some egg's birthday will be someday soon. Love is in the air. Oh, sorry, I might have just jinxed it. Here's something that will cheer you up. We'll make a special note just for you. It's rainbow colored, but not for long. Add black and white paint to a bag and mix it up. Place it on top with a cover and a kitty. Scratch it up to see the colors. Come on, Barbie, draw whatever you'd like. But she always draws with love. What's wrong? Your scrapbook's a mess. It's okay. Maybe we can save the photos. Drip some hot glue and make a small hole. It's a new photo frame. It's just what the wall needed. Uh-oh, I think Barbie's feeling hungry. We got you. We'll whip up a cute kitty toaster. Careful, there's some assembly required. Plop in some bread and pull that lever. That was quick. How does it taste? She likes it! But Barbie can't live on bread alone. Let them eat cake, as they say. But it could use a few more toppings. Here, Barbie, have your cake and eat it too. Guess Pet Book Club didn't work out too well. Naughty pets. Maybe we just need to rethink things. like a book filled with different animals. Add a cute cover and make a bunch. We've got our own little library. Wow, this place is filled with great stuff. But it's all your little friends that make it a home. Does a puppy want to be a mermaid? Of course. Let's get ready to doggy paddle. Wait, didn't Mom say something about using her seashell bikini without asking? Oh, looks like someone's getting a timeout. Oh, don't worry. There's plenty of fun things in here. Like this fluffy sock. Would box labels lie to you?
Yeah!
Plop in your phone. And with the right cuts, this sock can be the perfect phone case. Now let's get something for that bottom. Something soft. Aha! Try it on. And we'll give it a good squeeze. Just look at that tail wag. What a happy phone. And look, you can even play dress up.
Yeah!
Wow, a squish frog. I guess he likes to bounce. Maybe not. But maybe, if we make a few adjustments, we can turn him into a balloon. One with a whole lot of squish. Think he'll make a good water pillow? Still, I wouldn't push too hard. Uh-oh. Well, that carpet needed a wash. It's okay. I'll go get the duct tape. Someone's happy to get out. Ooh, gadget bugs. Just wait until you see them crawl up the wall. Got any leftovers? Not anymore. Poppet toy? Poppet toy? Ooh, check out this one. It's electric. It's a crab. And it's a Poppet toy. Well, it's time to get popping. Don't worry, they pop back up. What's next? Ouch! What was that? Another crab? And he's in a pinching mood. Oh, but just look at him go! We can start our own delivery service. What's next? A cute little bear head. And it's made of clay. Just the thing to try out our clay grinder. Oh, and we've got pasta. And that's not all. With the help of this special presser, we can make some ravioli too. I wonder what we used for filling. Ooh, a shark. Oh no, that school's swimming the wrong way. You like tats? We've got just the thing.
Wow!
Just add to a container of water. Give it a spritz while you're at it. Now let it wrap around your arm. It fits like a glove. Well, sleeve. But don't forget your other arm. Looks underdressed by comparison. Now show off those arms.
Wow.
Noticing a plant theme. A bloom toy. Just add water for a special surprise. It's a little girl. Let's clean her off. You got your little mermaid after all. You should probably keep her hydrated. Walking on tippy toes takes a lot of practice. Hey, I wouldn't jump on the bed like that. At least without washing your feet. And it couldn't be any easier with these boots. Add some water, some fizz, and some soap. After all, nothing beats a bubble bath. Careful not to splash the water around. On second thought, we won't need to wash the sheets. Aw, what cute little gummy bears. Hey, what's this? It's a special kit. And we're just one scoop away from making a brand new bear. Just give it a dip in some water. And enjoy your new fuzzy friend. So, what's next? Ooh, an interactive book! I guess reading really does take you places. Ooh, let's make her a brand new leg. Wrap it up and secure. Much better. Now let's pick you a new outfit. How about a nice blue ensemble? Or even better, we mix and match. What a busy day. I wonder what you'll wear tomorrow. Hey, is that dress supposed to have paw prints? Let's follow the clues. Ooh, a puppy! You deserve a nice treat. Oh, this dog's our golden goose. It's just the thing for your old ring. Yeah, it's a mess in here, but first, some new shoes. Get a balloon and a toothpick for the heel. Paint it and cover it in foil. Ooh, it kind of looks like lipstick. While we're at it, let's make it shine with a whole line of jewels. Next up, let's fix up this old mobile phone. Now add a line of hot glue. And pour on some glitter. Okay, a little more, a little more. Now for some rhinestone buttons. And a small mirror on top. So you'll look as good as the phone. Watch your step. Oh, it's just not safe for a toy these days. Or dessert for that matter. Good thing we've still got chocolate. If it can't fight the shoe, it'll become the shoe. And footwear needs to look its fanciest. Oh, we can do better than that. You can never have too many sprinkles.
Wow!
I don't think it's your size. But who needs shoes when we've got a whole candy buffet? Hey, what's this? A cake mallet? Oh, I think there's a prize inside. Come on, little more. Look, it's a new doll. Oh, she looks like she's made of candy. And look, she's brought company. It's like her own little mini-me. And that's not all. Look inside the heart for another new surprise. Aw, what a sweet little group. Hey, haven't you heard of knocking? At least put up the curtain. Ooh, inspiration strikes! This tiny washing machine practically pays for itself. Ooh, I think that means it's done. Nothing like a fresh, dry sheet. Wow, we're drowning in pop tubes. There's even a giraffe pop tube. Someone's having a growth spurt. It's like a little family reunion. Let's test how strong they are. Give those limbs a gypsum dip. But our giraffe's strong enough to break through. And they're even stronger together. This aquarium is in need of a makeover. Some magic jelly is just what we need. Let's try all sorts of colors. Pick them up with chopsticks. We can also use it to fill up these molds. Think these guys will take like a fish to water? Guess not, which is weird, especially considering they are fish, sort of. Next up, it's time to break some eggs. But there's hardly anything inside. Well, if you want to make great eggs, this special mold should help. Just crack an egg inside and cook. While we're at it, let's add a face. Just think of all the different faces you could make. Hey, wait, that's no ordinary ice cream. There's a brand new friend inside. And look, there's more stickers. Now customize your new best friend. Someone's got a surprise visitor. And she's brought you a present. It's a heart-shaped hole puncher. Ooh, what does this button do? Look, it comes in all sorts of shapes. The perfect thing to cover up life's little blemishes. Speaking of which, this one's just your size. Oh, what a bright sunny day. And windy too.
Ew.
Oh no, your hair! Don't worry, this gadget should help.
Cool.
Add spools of thread and hair. Now let's take it for a spin. Soon, your hair's braided and decorated.